The sky itself becomes a racetrack. But the throne... F1 velocity. Feel the speed.
In the storm's fury, a legend of speed rises again. Only the fearless can endure the tempest.
The road becomes a glowing mirror, guiding warriors into the storm. The blue flame of the tempest, Aqua Phoenix.
Every heartbeat is a gamble with death. Fear has no place in the storm.
From the abyss, the serpent of shadows coils into the night. The storm's phantom, Volt Mirage, lightning incarnate. Inferno against the storm. Typhoon burns brighter in the rain. 4 legends. 1 destiny carved in the storm. No hesitation, no fear, only forward into the unknown. The whole city transforms into a grand arena, cheering for chaos in the rain. One press of the pedal ignites the tempest. The storm bows only to speed. The countdown ends. Destiny begins. The storm's race begins now. No retreat, no surrender. From this point forward, there is no turning back. The blue phoenix rises, its flame unquenchable in the rain. The serpent lurks close behind. Darkness waits for the moment to strike. Lightning carves its path. A single surge can change everything. The storm dares to smother fire, but fire dares to burn through the storm. The tempest swallows the city whole. Tonight, speed becomes the only law. In the storm's fury, only the fearless endure. Legends are born in the rain. Every drift is a deadly dance. One slip, and everything ends. The serpent turns water into a weapon. In the storm, vision is just an illusion. Lightning explodes across the rain-soaked road. Only speed can save a soul tonight. The storm dares to smother fire, but the typhoon's blaze will never surrender. The tempest parts only for the fearless. Salvation lies in reckless courage. Every number is a line between life and death. There is no time left for fear. The weak are crushed in the storm. Ruthlessness reigns under the rain. Water and lightning, a deadly union. Only the unyielding can survive. Every break is a gamble. The smallest error demands your life. The city turns into a galaxy of speed. Tonight, the storm itself trembles. The phoenix spreads its wings in the storm. A new fire is born from water. The serpent commands the flood. The road becomes an ocean of chaos. Lightning paints a fleeting path. In an instant, everything burns into light. The storm cannot quench this fire. The typhoon burns to defy the night. The bridge becomes a blade in the storm. One slip, and the abyss devours. The rain cannot drown speed.
The phoenix burns brighter within the flood.
Darkness hides within the fog. Fear itself has taken shape. A single mistake brings death closer. Tonight, survival hangs by threads of steel. Illusions shatter before fire. Only true strength remains. Two forces clash in the storm. Only one emerges from the curve alive. The night sky becomes a battlefield of speed. The city shudders under the tempest. Lightning seeks to chain freedom. But the Phoenix will never be bound. The storm swallows even the strongest. Yet true warriors rise from the flood. The Phoenix ascends on wings of storm. Victory shines brightest through chaos. Tonight, the rain cannot extinguish the fire of speed. The storm only forges legends. Two rivals locked in combat within the storm. Only one will survive the curve. Lightning tears open the night. Yet in a storm, even light can vanish. The typhoon's fire burns against the storm. Heat enough to set the night ablaze. Drowned in chaos, the Phoenix finds its wings. Rising requires daring to drown first. Darkness hides within the storm. The blind will not survive the fog. The storm reveals the truth in flashes of light. But truth alone cannot save you.
One mistake turns fire into ashes. Yet true warriors never stop burning.
A single leap decides destiny. Glory or oblivion waits below. Not all who leap land safely. Tonight, fate claims the reckless. A serpent sinks into the abyss. The storm devours its shadow. 3 survivors remain. But glory belongs to only one. The Phoenix glides upon water. Each drift becomes a step toward flight. Lightning seeks to consume the night. But the storm is greater than light. The firestorm ignites against the tempest. Yet flames burn brightest before they fade.
Water, fire, and lightning collide as one. Only one soul survives the impact.
The Phoenix spreads its wings within the storm. Victory is born of defiance. Speed betrays its master. Lightning falls where it once soared. A star flares bright, then dies. The storm silences its light forever. 2 forces remain, 2 unyielding souls. The duel of destiny begins. The sky itself becomes a racetrack. But the throne belongs to only one.
The final stretch awaits. One triumph, one defeat, and one legend.
The typhoon burns for the last time. Fire dares to defy the tempest itself. The typhoon burns for the last time. Fire dares to defy the tempest itself. 2 souls clash at the storm's peak. The battlefield glows with fire and rain. The night sky becomes a cosmic racetrack. 2 stars blaze, but one must fall.
The typhoon collapses in its final blaze. Fire is extinguished by the storm.
One warrior remains. The Phoenix soars toward eternal glory. The moment of destiny arrives. Victory engraved forever.
The city itself crowns its champion. The storm bows before the victor. The throne has been claimed. The Phoenix stands unbroken in the storm.
Victory is not speed alone. It is survival through the storm's wrath.
From the storm, a legend is born. Immortality carved in rain and neon. Only those who defy the tempest earn their name in history.
The storm will pass, but legends endure. The race never truly ends. Like, share, and subscribe to F1 Velocity. Don't miss the next race.